Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to assign people to a task in Clickup. This is one of those basic things that makes a huge difference, especially when you're working with a team and want everyone to know exactly what they're responsible for. So, yeah, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once the page loads, sign into your Clickup account using your email address and password. After logging in, you'll arrive at your Clickup workspace dashboard. From here, navigate to the space, folder, and list where your tasks are located. Now find the task you want to assign and click on it to open the task details panel. Inside the task, look near the top for the Assigner option. This is where you can assign one or more people to the task. Click on the assignee field, and you'll see a list of people who are part of your workspace. From the list, select the person you want to assign. As soon as you click their name, they are assigned to the task instantly. You can also assign multiple people to the same task if the work is shared. This is helpful for collaboration or when more than one person is responsible for completing the task. If you don't see the person you're looking for, make sure they've been added to your ClickUp workspace first. Only workspace members or guests with access can be assigned to tasks. Once assigned, the person will usually receive a notification depending on their notification settings so they know they've been given a new task. You can also change or remove assignees at any time. Just click on the assignee field again and unassign someone or choose a different person. This makes it easy to adjust responsibilities as projects change or tasks move between team members. Another quick tip is to combine task assignments with due dates and priorities. Assigning a task along with a clear deadline helps keep everyone aligned and reduces confusion about what needs to be done and when. And that's pretty much it. Assigning people to tasks in ClickUp is fast, simple, and essential for staying organized. Once you get used to it, managing team responsibilities becomes way easier. So, yeah, hope this guide helped, and thanks for watching.